Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss chapter 7, that is cubes and cube roots. Here is the introduction. This is a story about one of India's great mathematical geniuses, S. Ramanujan. Once, another famous mathematician, Professor J.H. Hardy, came to visit him in a taxi whose number was 1729. While talking to Ramanujan, Hardy described this number a dull number. Ramanujan quickly pointed out that 1729 was indeed interesting. He said it is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729 can be 1728 plus 1, that is 12 cube plus 1 cube. Or 1729 is equal to 1000 plus 729, 10 cube plus 9 cube. 1729 has since been known as the Hardy-Ramanujan number. Even though this feature of 1729 was known more than 300 years before Ramanujan. How did Ramanujan know this? Well, he loved numbers. All through his life, he experimented with numbers. He probably found numbers that were expressed as the sum of two squares and sum of two cubes also. There are many other interesting patterns of cubes. Let us learn about cubes, cube roots, and many other interesting facts related to them. Cubes. You know that the word cube is used in geometry. A cube is a solid figure which has all its sides equal. How many cubes of side 1 cm will make a cube of side 2 cm? How many cubes of side 1 cm will make a cube of side 3 cm? Consider the number 1, 8, 27. These are called perfect cubes or cube numbers. Can you say why they are so named? Each of them is obtained when a number is multiplied by taking it 3 times. We note that 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube, that is equal to 8. 27 equal to 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 cube. Since 5 cube equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Therefore, 125 is a cube number. Is 9 a cube number? No, as 9 equal to 3 into 3. And there is no natural number which multiplied by taking 3 times gives 9. We can see also that 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 and 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. This shows that 9 is not a perfect cube. The following are the cubes of the numbers 1 to 10. 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube. Right? There are only 10 perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. Check this. How many perfect cubes are there from 1 to 100? Observe the cubes of even numbers. Are they all even? What can you say about the cubes of odd numbers? Following are the cubes of the numbers from 11 to 20. 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 272744, 15 cube 3375, 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 18 cube 5832, 19 cube 6859, and 20 cube 8000. Consider a few numbers having 1 as the ones digit or units. Find the cube of each of them. What can you say about the ones digit of the cube of a number having 1 as the ones digit? Similarly, explore the ones digit of cubes number ending in 2, 3, 4, etc. Find the ones digit of the cubes of each of the following numbers. Some interesting patterns. Adding consecutive odd numbers. Observe the following patterns of sums of odd numbers. 1 equal to 1, that is 1 cube. 3 plus 5, 8, that is 2 cube. 7 plus 9 plus 11, 27, that is 3 cube. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, 64, that is 4 cube. 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29, 185, that is 5 cube. Is it not interesting? How many consecutive odd numbers will be needed to obtain a sum of 10 to the power cube? Try this. Express the following numbers as the sum of odd numbers using the above pattern. 6 cube. Consider the following pattern. 2 cube minus 1 cube. 2 cube minus 1 cube, that is 1, plus 2 into 1 into 3. 3 cube minus 2 cube, 1 plus 3 into 2 into 2. 4 cube minus 3 cube, that is 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3. In the above pattern, find the value of the following cubes and their prime factors. Consider the following prime factorization of the numbers and their cubes. Prime factorization of a number: 4, 22, 6, 23, 15, 35, 12, 20, 23. Prime factorization of its cube: 4 cube equals 64, 22 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power cube into 2 to the power cube. 6 to the power cube, 216, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 2 to the cube into 3 to the power cube. 15 cube, 3, 3, 7, 5, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5, 3 cube into 5 to the power cube. 12 cube, 1728, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Observe that each prime factor of a number appears 3 times in the prime factorization of its cube. You see, in the prime factorization of a number, if each factor appears 3 times, then is the number a perfect cube? Think about it. Is 216 a perfect cube? By prime factorization method, 216 2 into 22 into 3 into 3 into 3. Each factor appears 3 times. Therefore, 216 equal to 2 cube into 3 cube, or 2 into 6 to the power cube or 6 to the power cube, which is a perfect cube. Is 729 a perfect cube? 729, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes, 729 is a perfect cube. Now let us check for 500. Prime factorization of 500 is this. So 500 is not a perfect cube. Is 243 a perfect cube? 243, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. The above factorization 3 into 3 remains after grouping the 3 ends in triplet. Therefore 343 is not a perfect cube. Try this. Which of the following are perfect cubes? Next one is the smallest multiple that is a perfect cube. Raj made a cuboid of plasticine. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 15 cm, 30 cm and 15 cm respectively. I want to ask how many such cuboids will he need to make a perfect cube? Can you tell? Raj said volume of cuboid is 15 into 30 into 15, or it can represent as 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 5, or 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Since there is only 1, 2 in the prime factorization, so we need 2 into 2, that is 4, to make a perfect cube. Therefore, we need 4 such cuboids to make a cube. Example 2. Is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. 392, 2 into 22, 7 into 7, 7 into 7. The prime factor 7 does not appear in a group of 3. Therefore, 392 is not a perfect cube. To make it a cube, we need one more 7. In that case, 392 into 7, that is 2 into 22, 7 into 77, 2744, which is a perfect cube. The smallest natural number by which 392 should be multiplied to make a perfect cube is 7. Example 3. If is 53240 a perfect cube? If not, then by which smallest natural number should 53240 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? 53240, 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 5. The prime factor 5 does not appear in a group of 3. So 53240 is not a perfect cube. In the factorization, 5 appears only one time. If we divide the number by 5, then the prime factorization of the quotient will not remain 5. Therefore, 53240 divided by 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. And the smallest number by which 5320 should be divided to make it a perfect cube is 5. The perfect cube in that case is 10648. Example 4. Is 1188 a perfect cube? If not, by which the smallest natural number should 1188 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? Here, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. The primes 2 and 11 do not appear in a group of 3. So 1188 is not a perfect cube. In the factorization of 1188, the prime 2 appears only 2 times and the prime 11 appears once. So if we divide 1188 by 22 and to 11, is 44, then the prime factorization of the quotient will not contain 2 and 11. Hence, the smallest natural number by which 1188 should be divided to make it a perfect cube is 44, and the resulting perfect cube is 1188 divided by 44, that is 27, that is 3 cube. Is 68600 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest number by which 68600 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. We have 68600, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. In this factorization, we find that there is no triplet of 5. So 68600 is not a perfect cube. To make it a perfect cube, we multiply it by 5. That is 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5, and 5 into 7 into 7. That is 343000, which is a perfect cube. Observe that 343 is a perfect cube. For example, 5, we know that 343000 is also a perfect cube. Now think, discuss, and write. Check which of the following are perfect cubes: 2700, 16000, 64000, 900, 12500, 36000, 21600, 10, 10000, that is 27000000, 1000. What pattern do you observe in these perfect cubes? In next video, we shall discuss about the exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.